I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं आपका दोस्त एक्शन सारी, एक नया दिन एक नए व्लॉग के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। मैं इस टाइम मौजूद हूँ दिल्ली के कनॉट प्लेस के अंदर, स्टेटमेंट हाउस के अंदर, जहाँ पे 2023 विंटेज एंड क्लासिक कार रैली शुरू होने वाली है। सुबह के 9 बज रहे हैं और गाड़ी की जो है रैली हमारी शुरू होने वाली है। सारी जितनी भी क्लासिक कार्स होती हैं इंडिया के अंदर, हिंदुस्तान से बाहर के अंदर इंपोर्टेड वगैरह, सारी इस शो के अंदर दिखाएंगे। जो जितने भी शौकीन लोग हैं, जो ब्रिगेडियर हैं, जो हमारे रिटायर्ड हो चुके हैं, जो पुराने रईस हैं, राजा महाराजाओं के जो भी जितनी भी गाड़ियाँ होती थी, जो शौकीन थे और एक से एक विंटेज कार लेना पसंद करते थे, एक एक करके आपको सारी गाड़ियाँ दिखाता हूँ। और आज का व्लॉग जो है प्लीज़ मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है पूरा देखिएगा। बहुत ही आपको एक से एक नायाब तोहफे देखने को मिलेंगे इस व्लॉग के अंदर। तो शुरू करता हूँ अपने व्लॉग को, व्लॉग के एंड तक हमारे साथ बने रहिए।
ये रोल्स राइस है, रोल्स राइस आ रहा।
Which is the 1952 Ford Rover. That is the 1954 Rover owned by Sri Sanjay Pathak. In front of us, the 1952 Ford Rover, ladies and gentlemen, watch out for the Rover. Here it is, making its way on the red carpet in front of you. And behind that, we have the shiny, dazzling yellow beauty. And here comes the car number 33. Go slow. What is this? We have the beautiful 1936 Fiat. I love the vibe, I love the color. Hats off to your spirit. The 1933 Fiat, ladies and gentlemen. Beg your pardon, 1936 Fiat, owned by Mr. Prem Sharma. And in the navigator's seat, we have Ashma Sharma enjoying that lovely ride, which I envy she's going to have in the 1936 Fiat. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, who do we have here? We have Anil Shastri ji, grandson of Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Thank you for being a part of this amazing event with your presence. This is the 1964 Fiat. We have Anil Shastri, grandson of our Honorable Prime Minister, late Prime Minister of India, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. The 1964 Fiat being driven by his grandson Anil Shastri. Car number 113, which is the 1963 Ford Galaxy. Going to be putting the streets of New Delhi, NCR in a very galactic moment. This is the 1963 Ford Galaxy owned by Ved Prakash. that. The 1963 Ford Galaxy, a left-hand drive. The dazzling red beauty. Car number 31. Ladies and gentlemen, car number 31. This is, okay, we hear it. Once again. Wonderful, thank you. That is a 1936 Fiat. Owned by Gagan Gupta. With his entire jig band. Enjoying in the 1936 Fiat, ladies and gentlemen. Car number 95. Ladies and gentlemen, car number 95. Mr. Gagan Gupta, the owner of the Morris Minor. Thank you for doing that. 1951 Morris Minor. Thank you for being such a great help. That was the Morris Minor, 1951 Morris Minor, being driven by Gagan himself, and he's been such a great support, helping me out by waving the card, the placard, making it so much easier to read. And next we have car number 103, ladies and gentlemen. What is it we are looking out for? Car number 103, owned by Sri Sunil Sahari, all the way from Uttar Pradesh. This is 1960 Fiat. And again, another left-hand drive. Thank you for joining us on this morning, the cold winter morning, the 1960 Fiat, owned by and driven by Sri Sunil Sahai. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out for the 1951 Pontiac. It seems that it's packed to the full of its capacity. I wish I could also jump in and, grab a seat there. This is the 1951 Pontiac, owned by Nishant Kumar, driven by Mohit, the 1951 Pontiac. And now, driving on to the red carpet. What do we have? Can anybody help me with the car number?
120.
120. This is car number 120. Ladies and gentlemen, what are we looking out for? This is the 1965 Ford Mustang. Wonderful. Love the spirit. Love the sound. This is the 1965 Ford Mustang, owned by S. Jati ji, being driven by Sandesh Jati. Love the honking and the acceleration, the sound that it gave out. That is the kind of sound we are looking out today for. And we wish them all the very best for their journey ahead, for the circuit that they are going to do today, and join us back at the National Stadium. Which car is this? 133. This is car number 133. Car number 133. 1968 Chevrolet, being owned by Rajwan Grewal, driven by Gary Grewal. Gary, wish you all the very best in all your spirits. We love it. This is the 1968 Chevrolet, ladies and gentlemen. Watch out for these post-war collection of cars that we are getting to witness here. And if you can, discern the comparison between the vintage, the classic, and the post-war, how they differentiate their size, their color, and their driving sense and aura. And here comes car number 77. Car number 77, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 1957 Pontiac. Another Pontiac, 1957 Pontiac, owned by Pankaj Gondal. It's a self-driven one. Pankaj is enjoying a great time. Hope you have a great time, Pankaj. Wish you all the very best. The 1957 Pontiac. And right behind the dazzling Pontiac, we have, what do we have? Well, we'll wait for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I was mentioning, all these long-tail cars are post-war cars. That is what differentiates them. The post-war or the post-World War car. Love the spirit. That's the lady in the seat. Has to be the lady. We wish you all the best. I love your spirit. 19. This is the car number 17. 1952 Citroen. Ladies and gentlemen, did you just hear us? Put your hands together. Put your hands together for Ipsita Sarkar. We wish you all the very best, Ipsita. Have a great journey. Wonderful. That was the 1952 Citroen. number 84. This is the 1962 Mercedes-Benz. We have another lady driver. The gentleman along with his beautiful lady that was owned by the Patel Cars Private Limited. The lady in the navigator seat giving company to a driver, the 1962 Mercedes-Benz. The 1948 Cinquecento. This is the 1948 was the 1948 Singer 9 owned by retired Brigadier Naresh Bajaj. Brigadier Naresh Bajaj from Gurgaon driving his beauty. That's 1948 Singer 9. Car number 71. This is 1948 Austin 16. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1948 Austin 16 being driven self-driven, owned by Karan Singh Ji. That's the green glory, 1948, Austin 16. Here it is on the red carpet amidst us. And right behind that we have car number 97. Car number 97, we have the 1953 Austin. Car number 97, this is the 1953 Austin, owned by Dr. Shishir Narayan. With his wonderful family all packed up in that cute 1953 Austin, waving on to us. And the tiniest, probably the tiniest of cars, this is car number 94, which is the 1948 Fiat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the Fiat. 1948 Fiat. The tiniest, probably the tiniest of cars. We've got the largest, the John Morris engine, and we've got the tiniest here, the 1948 Fiat. Being owned by Mr. Rajendra Bahadur, and being driven by him, enjoying his lovely ride. And right behind that, we have car number 80. Car number 80, this is the 1962 Mercedes-Benz. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1962 Mercedes-Benz making its way on the red carpet, owned by Gurangad Singh Manko. Gurangad Singh Manko ji is the owner, and being driven by B.S. Manko, 1962 Mercedes-Benz in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. And the beauty, ladies and gentlemen, has come all the way from Chandigarh. All the way from Chandigarh. I think we need to hear another round of applause to keep our hands warm. Can anybody help me with the car number?
98. Car
number 98. We have the 1955 Fiat in front of us. 1955 Fiat, again owned by Sri Bhatnagar. And we welcome Sri Siddhant Tandon, Zonal Manager, IDFC First Bank, waving out to our participants. Car number 68, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of us, car number 68. What do we have here with us? This is 1947 Oldsmobile. Ladies and gentlemen, owned by Sri Rahul Bansal. This is the 1947 Oldsmobile. Watch out for its size, its grandeur, the color, the upkeep, the well-maintained condition. It is sparkling in every which way. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the 1947 Oldsmobile. This is the 1960 Mercedes-Benz owned by Puneet Duggal in front of us. Mercedes-Benz. Car number 85. And in front of us now, ladies and gentlemen, car number 69. And in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, this is the DeSoto. The 1947 DeSoto, owned by Patel Cars Limited. Probably the only DeSoto that we have in the rally today. Car number 119. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of us, car number 119. This is the 1965 Cadillac, another Cadillac. Watch out for its tail fins. Watch out for the tail, watch out for the bonnet. This is the 1965 Cadillac being driven by Parmeet Singh Bhalla, owned by Parmeet Singh Bhalla as well. And right behind that, a lovely couple enjoying their ride in the cute car, which is car number 114. All the way from Chandigarh, this is the 1964 Morris Minor. Shri Amar Jeet Singh Sodhi, car number 59. Car number 59, we have the 1948 Riley. This is the 1948 Riley. Samir Gupta enjoying his lovely ride in the Riley. The back seat is empty. Anybody? That is if Samir would like to take them along. He can have company. Two is always better than one, isn't it? So car number 76. Car number 76, ladies and gentlemen. 1956 Chevrolet. This is the bright yellow 1956 Chevrolet, owned by Mr. Bahadur Singh, driven by Mr. Tariq Kumar. Left-hand drive Chevy it is, in all its regalia. The 1956 Chevrolet. Absolutely right. This is the 1967 Jaguar. The 1967 Jaguar. And I love the camaraderie. I love the seaters in the Jaguar. The 1967 Jaguar. Owned by Mr. Ashok Khosla. Beg your pardon. This is another Patel car. The ownership, Patel car, 1967 Jaguar. The golden beauty, the golden glorious Jaguar. Along with golden beauties, the lovely beauties inside. And we have next car number 137. This is the 1973 Mercedes. What do you have to say about that black beauty? Ladies and gents, absolutely shimmering in all its black beauty. This is the 1973 Mercedes. Car number 83. Here it is, in front of us. Flipping the pages back in front, ladies and gentlemen. It's not easy for me as well. 1956 Dodge Kingsway. Another Dodge. This is the 1956 Dodge Kingsway. Whole lot of company inside. Hope you have a great time. The 1963 Fiat. The 1963 Fiat, owned by Prem Sharma. With envy. And coming up next. Can you check it? Can you get me with the number? And 1967 Chevrolet, owned again by Patel Cars. Patel having probably the maximum number of participations. The 1967 Chevy we have in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that sounds great music. Wonderful for the drama. Thank you. Who's having a great time with the windows rolled up, beating the wind out. Setting course, the 230 Mercedes, and wow, what next do we have? Lovely, this is lovely. Akanksha, if I am correct, Akanksha. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1972 Triumph. And we wish you, Akanksha, all the time. Have a great time, have a great time. 1972 Triumph, owned by Prem Sharma. Driven by Akanksha. Akanksha Sharma, that was 1972 Triumph.
तो भाई ये था आज का हमारा ब्लॉग दिल्ली के कनॉट प्लेस इलाके से। और हमने इस ब्लॉग के अंदर एक से एक बेहतरीन गाड़ी देखी जो मैंने पर्सनली खुद भी नहीं देखी थी। आज मुझे खुद बहुत शर्फ हासिल हुआ है एक से एक विंटेज गाड़ी की देखने का। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये ब्लॉग आज का पसंद आएगा। अगर आज आपको हमारा ब्लॉग पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। और आज के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।